அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். Today we are discussing about the topic for common names of chemical compounds and formula. This topic is very important topic for all competitive exams. So don't skip the video. Try to watch entire video. After watching this video, you will get more information from this video. So subscribe our YouTube channel Time to Save. If you are interested to join our Facebook and Telegram channel links are available in description box. These columns belongs to chemical compounds, these columns belongs to common names, and these columns belongs to chemical formulas. These all questions are very important questions, and these all questions are previously asked in various competitive exams. These all questions are very important questions. Okay, first question, baking soda. What is the chemical formula of baking soda? NaHCO3. Similarly, what is the chemical compounds of baking soda? Sodium bicarbonate. Next one, what is the chemical formula of bleaching powder? CaClO2. Similarly, what is the chemical compounds of bleaching powder? Calcium hypochlorite. Next one, washing soda or otherwise known as soda ash. Chemical formula Na2CO3.10H2O. Similarly, and its compound sodium carbonate. Next one, caustic soda. Chemical formula NaOH and its chemical compound sodium hydroxide. Next one, Mars gas. Mars gas chemical formula CH4. Its chemical compounds methane. Similarly, table salt chemical formula NaCl and its chemical compounds sodium chloride. Muriatic acid chemical formula HCl and its chemical compound hydrochloric acid. And next one, laughing gas. This question is very important question. Laughing gas chemical formula N2O and its chemical compounds nitrogen oxide or otherwise known as dinitrogen monoxide. Next one, dry ice. Dry ice chemical formula CO2 and similarly dry ice chemical compounds carbon dioxide. Quicklime. Quicklime or otherwise known as burnt lime. Its chemical formula is CaO and its chemical compound calcium oxide. Slagged lime or otherwise known as lime water. Its chemical formula CaOH2, that is calcium hydroxide. Next one, plaster of Paris. Chemical formula CaSO4 of H2O and its chemical compound calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Next one, blue vitriol. Blue vitriol. What is the chemical formula of blue vitriol? CuSO4. And similarly, what is the chemical compounds of blue vitriol? Copper sulfate. Green vitriol FeSO4 and ferrous sulfate or otherwise known as iron sulfate. White vitriol chemical formula ZnSO4, that is zinc sulfate. Oil of vitriol chemical formula H2SO4, that is sulfuric acid. This topic is very important topic for all competitive exams. These topics cover the complete syllabus about the acid, base and salt. In case questions are asked in this topic on your exam, definitely this video questions will cover. So go to watch this video. Subscribe our YouTube channel Time to Save. If you are interested to join our Facebook and Telegram channel links are available in description box. Next one, heavy water. Its chemical formula D2O, that is deuterium oxide. What is the chemical formula of hematite? That is Fe2O3, that is ferric oxide or otherwise known as iron oxide. Next one, limestone or otherwise chalk or otherwise marble. Its chemical formula is CaCO3, that is calcium carbonate. Next one, milk of magnesia. Its chemical formula MgOH2, that is magnesium hydroxide. Next one, magnesium oxide that is MgO, or otherwise known as magnesia hydrolith. Its chemical formula is CaH2 and its chemical compound calcium hydrate. Next one, freon. What is the chemical formula of freon? CF2Cl2 and its chemical compound dichloro-difluoromethane. This question is very important question. Next one, gypsum. Its chemical formula CaSO4.2H2O and its chemical compounds calcium sulfate dihydrate. Next one, phosgene. Its chemical formula CaCO2 and its chemical compounds carbonyl dichloride. Next one, carbolic acid. Its chemical formula C6H6O. Its chemical compounds phenol. Next one, Q40s, or otherwise known as spirit of nitre. Its chemical formula HNO3, that is nitric acid. Next one, carborundum. Its chemical formula SiC, that is silicon carbide. Next one, caustic potash. Its chemical formula KOH. Its chemical compounds potassium hydroxide. Chill saltpeter. Its chemical formula NaNO3 and its chemical compounds sodium nitrate. Next one, chloroform. This question is very important question. What is the chemical formula of chloroform? That is CHCl3 and its chemical compound trichloromethane. Next one, dolomite. Its chemical formula CaMgCO32 and its chemical compound calcium magnesium carbonate. Next one, more salt. More salt chemical formula NH42 FeSO42.6H2O. Its chemical compounds ammonium iron sulfate. Next one, potash alum, or otherwise known as potassium alum. Its chemical formula KAlSO4.12H2O and its chemical compounds potassium aluminum sulfate. Next one, quartz. Its chemical formula SiO2 and its chemical compounds silicon dioxide. Next one, quicksilver. This question is very important question. Quicksilver chemical formula Hg and its chemical compounds mercury. Next one, salt ammonic. Its chemical formula NH4Cl and its chemical compound ammonium chloride. Saltpeter. Its chemical formula KNO3 and its chemical compound potassium nitrate. Next one, vermilion, or otherwise known as cinnabar. This question is very important question. Vermilion or otherwise cinnabar. Its chemical formula HGS and its chemical compounds mercury sulfide. Next one, ethanoic acid. This question is also very important question. Ethanoic acid. Its chemical formula CH3COOH. Its chemical compound acetic acid or otherwise known as vinegar. Subscribe our YouTube channel Time to Save. If you are interested to join our Facebook and Telegram channel means links are available in description box. If you are interested to say something, type in comment section. This video is useful or not. Your feedback is always welcome. That is positive or negative, no problem. Say something in comment section. This video is useful or not. So subscribe our YouTube channel Time to Save. Next one, bimethyl or dimethyl. Its chemical formula C2H6. Its chemical compound ethane. Next one, carbide. This question is very important question. Carbide chemical formula CH4N2O. Its chemical compound urea. Next one, magnetic iron ore. Its chemical formula Fe3O4. Its chemical compound magnetite. This question is very important question. Next one, trinitrotoluene. Its chemical formula C7H5N3O6. Its chemical compound TMT. This question is very important question. Next one, chemical compounds and its chemical formula silver bromide AgBr, lead oxide PbO. These all chemical formulas are important formulas. Next one, silver chloride AgCl, silver sulfate Ag2S. This question is very important question. Silver sulfate Ag2S. What is the chemical formula for silver sulfate Ag2S? Propane, chemical formula C3H8. Butane C4H10. Here propane C3H8, here butane C4H10. Similarly, benzene C6H6. Ethanol C2H5OH. Ammonium hydroxide NH4OH. Propane, butane and benzene. These three questions is very important question. Next one, table sugar. Table sugar C12H22O11, that is sucrose. What is the chemical formula for sucrose? C12H22O11. Then sand, silicon dioxide SiO2. Which acid is queen of acid? This question is very important question. Which acid is queen of acids? Nitric acid is queen of acid. Similarly, king of chemical means king of chemicals H2SO4, that is sulfuric acid. Queen of acid nitric acid, king of chemicals H2SO4. These two question is very important question. Next one, ozone. Ozone O3, try oxygen. Next one, glucose. Glucose C6H12O6. Then what is the mixture of water gas? What is the mixture of water gas? Carbon monoxide and hydrogen. Similarly, what is the mixture of producer gas? Mixture of producer gas is nitrogen, carbon monoxide and hydrogen. Subscribe our YouTube channel Time to Save. If you are interested to say something, type in comment section. This video is useful or not. Your feedback is always welcome. That is positive or negative, no problem. Say something in comment section. This video is useful or not. Subscribe our YouTube channel Time to Save. If you are interested to join our Facebook and Telegram channel means links are available in description box. Thank you.